Lighthouse for Life family. For those of you that like numbers and data, I want to share a couple with you. Last February, we talked with you about how we have recently partnered with Freedom Signal, which allows us to identify individuals advertised online as sex for sales and get the numbers from that data, as well as then equip us with the resources to be able to directly connect with those individuals. Last year in 2024, over the span of the year, within a 50-mile radius of our drop-in center here in Columbia, there were over 7,500 names advertised online. That is not okay. However, 2 weeks ago, when we looked at the reports again, we saw that that number had doubled in magnitude and was now hovering just shy of 15,000 individuals. What a huge increase, which is telling us that this problem is not going away. Now, whether that's because the industry is moving from North Carolina to South Carolina because of our lack of penalties, which is a whole nother thing we need you to not give up on in our legislative efforts, or if it's just the society around us, we have got to fight back stronger than ever. And we're doing just that here at Lighthouse for Life. Our community education program is excited about an opportunity to partner with La Pola to provide training to churches across South Carolina with an understanding of what this reality looks like, as well as taking a deep dive into what parents and the members of the church and community can do to fight back. We are also going to be working with Alicia Tappan and Heather Pagan, two survivor leaders and experts that are going to help us create a tool along with Fisher Films that we can give directly to first responders and direct service providers, counselors, etc., as they walk alongside survivors. We're also trying to update our website ongoing with resources. Enough is Enough is a tremendous organization that we partner with that has lots of great, valuable content related to our devices and social media and online accounts and the games that are so much a part of our kids' world. And we would love to equip you with the knowledge and understanding about the risks and dangers and best practices for integrating with all of those platforms as we support our kids in today's day and age. Harris Home is currently this week meeting with DSS again to check out our property and in anticipation of bringing in our first residents, which we're super excited to do. In fact, we're beginning the onboarding process of caregivers this week and begin to start training them in the next couple of weeks. We do need a couple more caregivers, so if you know of anybody that might be interested in joining our Harris Home team, please reach out to us here at Lighthouse for Life. And survivor support has always got things going on, from women coming to the drop-in center. We had a gal last week who was meeting with a counselor that we have an MOU with that comes to the harbor to meet with our ladies, and she said, "Man, for the first time in a long time, I'm not having nightmares." What a big win to be able to provide that level of peace and rest for these ladies who have known nothing but darkness for so long. Well, we need you. We appreciate you coming alongside us as you always do. Some practical ways that you can do that right now is take note of your kids and the devices that they are using. Go monitor right now who they're talking to, what they're sharing, who they're sharing it with, how do they know those people, what are the security settings that they have set up in place, and educate them. Talk with them about what human trafficking looks like, and please feel free to take advantage of our website and the resources we have on there, or reach out to us for some tips on how to do that. And also let them know that you love them, that you are there for them no matter what choices they make, that you believe in them, and that you're committed to investing in them. It's the best way to safeguard our communities and also make sure that they don't end up needing our services in another capacity down the road. And if you'd like to know more about Lighthouse for Life and how we are helping to provide a different path, a path of hope to individuals who right now currently only know a path of darkness, we invite you to come to our gala on September 18th. It will be at Shannon Baptist at 6:30 in the evening. It's bound to be an incredible evening of fellowship. We'll have heavy hors d'oeuvres, a silent auction, some live auction happenings during the night, as well as some dramatizations and a testimony from or encouragement from a survivor expert that we know will greatly impact you and your knowledge and understanding in partnership with us in this fight. So thanks again for all that you are doing. Thanks for your encouragement. We look forward to seeing you on September 18th.